Hello and welcome to yet another episode of the Super Bike List, starring your favorite host and journalist, MTrack here, where we do keep track of the world's most exclusive super bikes, but beyond the super bikes, whether it be Triumphs, Harley Davidson, and more, even MotoGP as well. So anything bike related, we'll discuss, we'll showcase here on the channel. And just to give you guys a bit of transparency, you already know I have another platform called MTrack 11 where I discuss the latest cars, supercars, motorsports, Formula One, all that good stuff is there. But we're literally separating bikes as well into the Super Bike List platform. So we're gonna keep those two separated instead of kind of keeping it like a hybrid between the two. It's better to keep it separated for all of our different audiences. They want they're literally just straightforward where they want car content or bike content. So we aim to please here. But on the latest episode of the Bike List, I'll give you I'll showcase the new MotoGP deliveries for the 2026 season, the new Ducati Superleggera V4 Centenario, and more. Alright, so without further ado, let us discuss all this. Ba-da-ba. Alright, so this is coming from The Race, where they give you more in-depth breakdown as well. It did kick off in February, so sorry for the delay because we were just trying to find our focus as well for the content that we're trying to bring you to. We have Pramac Yamaha. And then we have the new racing suits as well. We have V4 46 Ducati. Same thing with the racing suits, so it's gonna be the same thing for each delivery. We have Aprilia, Ducati. That looks so sweet. Yamaha. Trackhouse Aprilia. KTM and Tech 3 KTM. So Red Bull essentially. We have Dresini Ducati. LCR Honda. This one looks better. Especially the way they have those split wings. What else? That's it. I'm just reading the comments. I love that. I love to go to the comments here. Okay. Everybody's liking it. Alright, and now we have the Italian Grand Prix that did take off. That did start off the 2026 season in Chang International Circuit, Sunday, March 1st. So we have Aprilia, Red Bull, KTM Factory Racing, and Track Housing taking care of P1, P2, P3. Bezacci, Acosta, and Fernandez. Brazilian Grand Prix. At the Auto de Roma International, Ayrton Senna. So we have Aprilia for P1 and P2 and VR46 for P3. Bezzecchi, Martin, and I don't want to botch it, Giannatonio. And Texas did kick off as well at the Circuit of the Americas. I don't remember it. It begins with an A. Augusta? No, Augusta. Augusta's in Georgia. I gotta look it up. It'll tell me here. Circuit of the Americas. Arlington, I think, right? It's close to Arlington. Okay. All right. So we have Bazzacci, Martin, and Acosta P1, P2, P3 for Aprilia P1 and P2, and Red Bull KTM Factory Racing for P3. And Spain is going to be taking off April 26th at Circuito de Jerez. We have France at the Bugatti Circuit, May 10th. Catalan GP at Circuit de Barcelona. I knew it was Barcelona for some reason. I couldn't get it out of my mouth. Catalonia, May 17th. We have Italy, Hungarian, Czechia, Netherlands, Germany, the UK. Oops, we missed one. Aragon, San Marino, Austrian, Japan, Indonesia, and Australia. We have a lot more than Formula One. Wow. Valencia's the last one, November 29th. Wow. Wow. Okay, we have a couple updates as well. So MotoGP is looking for introducing permanent reserve drivers for each team as a similar practice to Formula One in order to avoid gaps on the grid in case of injury. That's fine. And Alex Marquez, believe he's still missing the final 20% from the Ducati's 2026 MotoGP bike. Same thing with Formula One. They're still trying to figure out the new liveries. So it's not surprising that MotoGP is having the same issue. Not surprising at all. And now, let me switch this to my headset, and then we're going to react to this. Oh no, nice, it's already there. Are you ready for a new Ducati? That'll expire. The Superleggera V4 Centenario. Me, I would have it as mainly black and then with hints of red. 247 HP with full racing exhaust and Ducati Corsa performance oil, 166 kilograms, and then 0.148 HP weight ratio. It looks mean. Deep red, pulse connecting. Wow. Brembo? Like I've heard of those. The world's first road legal carbon ceramic discs over traditional steel systems. Nice. God is always on it. The world's first carbon fiber front fork. Race bred aerodynamics. The same high efficiency wings used on the World SPK competing Panigale V4R. Woof. 247 horsepower. What else we got? I wanted black, but that's way too much black. It needs a hint of red. Like literally, I would not keep it either or. Oof. All right, now we'll go here into their PR announcement. Limited to just 500 pieces of celebrating the 100th anniversary of the Portugal Panigale-based manufacturer. It's the first, we already talked about that, ceramic carbon ceramic disc brakes, carbon fiber frame, R1100 engine featuring a hand-tuned ceramic valving timing, delivers 228 horsepower in this model, rising up to 246 in track. Is there a way to configure my own? I'm gonna find out. MotoGP derived electronics. I love how it's a mix of both worlds, from the MotoGP to Super BK. Let's see. Member of the Audi group, we already know that. Let's see. What we're gonna do is go here. Doesn't tell me anything. Let's see if we go to the Ducati's website directly. Let's see what happens. Ducati. Here's an opening, April 10th to the 12th. What is this? Interesting. Oh, that's right. They unveiled at the Circuit of Americas in Austin. See, I told you it begins with an A. Little's nearby, but it's actually in Austin. World Ducati Week, July 30th to the 5th. Interesting. Ducati 100. Let's see what this is about. I'm going to do this first. All right. 10th to the 12th. To learn about the season, seeing that models. Ooh. Wow. Mountain Waterforce in Georgia. Not yet. I have to learn how to ride a bike first. Like, I took my MSF. I didn't try too well because it was my first time riding a bike, and I'm going to be in Lawrenceville over the weekend because they have a free They have a collaboration with Cycle Gear to learn how to ride a bike as well. So I'm going to take lessons here and there until I feel confident to take the MSF again, and then I'll pass with getting my motorcycle license as well. I'm definitely excited for it. And what's this about? 100 years of Ducati. Yeah, we already went there. No, it's just taking us through the history of it. Okay, any which way, I went to it. Superleggera. I went there for a reason. I want to see if I can configure it. Superleggera. Let's give her more. The same thing. So I can't configure my own if I wanted to. No, the way these manufacturers do it on their own. Yep, we already went through it. Oops. What the dream. So sick. Oh, they put this in a crate too, like the way they the Lamborghini V4. Ugh, Lamborghini is my favorite bike. Ugh, I wish you could customize it, but you can't. Sadly, if you want more bike content, be sure to follow us on social media, or simply go to the Super Bike List. It'll take you to our social media platforms. Follow us on TikTok, follow us on Instagram, Twitter, all the good stuff. We're there. Follow us on your favorite podcast platform, whether it be YouTube, music, Apple Podcast, Amazon Music, and more. Also, hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and give us a 5-star rating if your platform allows it. To help us reach even more viewers, even more listeners worldwide than we already are. Always, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Has been your host, MTrack, for giving you another episode of Super Bike List. Production of MTrack Media, all rights reserved. Thank you guys so much, and I guess we'll see you on the next one. Have a good one, folks. Later.